In Fergus, you can record hazards against jobs using both the desktop and the Fergus Go app. All logged hazards feed into the compliance report, giving you a clear picture of your team's health and safety performance. In this video, we'll focus on the compliance report itself. To learn more about how to log hazards, check out our separate guides for both desktop and the Fergus Go app. To access the compliance report, go to the Health and Safety tab at the top of the Fergus screen, then select Compliance Report from the left-hand menu. You can also find it under the Reports dropdown in the Staff section. Once you're in the report, you'll see a list of your employees, along with detailed stats for each one, including total jobs completed, number of hazards recorded, how many jobs and hazards were mitigated, how many hazards were reported, and how many jobs were marked as hazard-free. You can drill down further by clicking on a staff member's reported hazards, hazard-free jobs, or overall jobs. This will bring up a list of the relevant jobs in that section. From there, you can also click on the job number to be taken straight to that job card. At the top of the report, you can also adjust the date range to narrow your view, and download the report as a CSV file for sharing or record keeping. And that's it. The compliance report is a key tool for monitoring site safety and making sure your team is managing hazards properly.